Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, and today we are dealing with the oversized white shirt. Now this shirt is an OG shirt that everybody loves to have, and today we're going to be styling it with our scarves. So if you guys are familiar with our scarf sets, it's a 6-in-1 set that offers you 2 large scarves, 2 mini scarves, 1 chain strap and 1 leather strap. In my previous videos, I've styled the scarves as bags, as dresses, as tops. I'll link them in the description box below. But today we are styling this oversized shirt with our scarves. Do you guys love the headband on my head? Yes, it's in the collection as well and it's so affordable. You guys should reach out to me on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations and I'll be ready to respond to you. Let's get our intro in and get styling. So first up, I would like to show you guys that you can actually style this shirt as casual as you like. So you can take a scarf from our scarf set, tie it into a bag and just put on a matching headband. I'm going to also link how to style these scarves as bags up here so you guys can see it and watch every single bag. There's even a backpack. I mean, this scarf is so versatile. Let's move on to the next one. Now our next style is Gemma. So all you have to do is button the first button of your shirt, and as you guys know, our scarves have 2 fringe tails. So you're going to take one of those fringe tails and just throw it into your chest like what I'm doing here. So you take the 2 corners that are sideways and just tie it to your back. So you're now going to have a diamond shaped design like you see here. You can choose to leave the second fringe tail hanging or just put it inside to hide everything. And that's it, guys. Look at the back, the fringe tail drops at the back. If you wanted it to be in front, you can still let it be in front. Now if you want your shirt to be buttoned down, you can also button it down, but I love it open. I love how it feels, I love how it flows, I love how it's beautiful. It looks like a corset basically on it, and you know, that just makes it a game changer. That makes the white shirt really different. I've styled the second scarf. You know, the set comes with 2 scarves, 1 plain and 1 pattern, so I've used the plain one to make a bag. Guys, you need to check out these bags. These bags are amazing. Next up, we have our Twilly Bow style. So all you have to do is tuck in the collar of your shirt and button as many buttons as you like. Grab your scarf and fold it in a triangle. Once it's in a triangle, you now fold it into a thin line. So like I'm doing here, just do exactly what I'm doing here. Tie it in a thin line and put it in between the first button and the second button. Then tie it. You can easily drop it just like that, or grab the twilly or one of the mini scarves that come with this set and just, you know, tie it in a bow on your chest, and it will just elevate that look. It will make it have this pop of color and elegance to it. I've also picked the matching plain scarf that comes with this particular scarf set and I've made it as a bag. This is the Fancy Nancy bag. Guys, go check it out. It's beautiful, it's amazing, and it takes a lot of things. It might look small, but it takes a lot of things. Now here you can easily tie it on your neck as well. I love dropping the sleeves down because it helps me show off my shoulders, and you know, it just makes me feel, you know, comfortable basically. Next up, we have the saree. Now I've been into this whole Indian vibe kind of thing. If you've seen my kaftan video, I'll link it up here, guys. If you've seen it, you know I love this whole saree kaftan kind of thing. So in this one, I'm going to show you guys how to make it a beautiful saree style. So all you have to do is button all the buttons with the scarves. Now guys, you guys have to be patient when you're doing these buttons. If your shirt is just like mine that has a hidden placket that doesn't show the buttons outside, you can get away with anything. So button it. Now once you're done, you can take it around your body and use a pin to secure it at the end, or you can just, you know, basically put it on your hand, and it just gives you that regal kind of fancy look that you can't get it anywhere, guys. You can also throw it over your shoulder and pin it on that shoulder so it doesn't drop. You know, you're just going to look really fabulous, you know, when you're saying hi and everybody's like, oh my god, what are you wearing? And you're like, oh, I just styled my scarf with my white shirts to make me look, you know, amazing. You know, if you go for that bridal shower and the dress code is white shirts, you are not going to look basic, guys. This one is going to elevate that look. You're going to have your white shirts, yes, but you're going to have this scarf to elevate that white shirt. I've styled this with one of our fold-over clutches because it matches the headband on my head. Now you guys are going to be seeing different designs of headbands on my head because I want to showcase the amazing designs we have. Next up, we have the side drape. So what you have to do is take one of the fringe tails and throw it over your neck or over your shoulders. Then button it on the first button of your shirt, the first button you want to use. I usually skip the button on my neck to the next one because I don't really feel comfortable with the one on my neck. So just button it on the one that you feel comfortable with and just tuck every other thing you don't want to see in. Grab a belt, tie it to your waist and make the necessary adjustments as you like. I love this particular style because it's really flowy, it's really drapey. I love how it flows. You know, when you twirl and turn, it flows with you. It's so beautiful. I also grabbed the matching scarf that comes with this particular design and I made it into a bag. So you guys can see that the combination is really perfect. I also decided to remove the pants because I wanted to see what it actually looks like without those pants. And it actually turned out really good. You can also choose to drag your scarf to cover the entire front of your body and it will just look really flowy and no one will even know what is going on behind. Now we're going to be using a corset. So you can pick any corset of your choice, put it on your shirt and this will just look beautiful. I've styled it with one of our head wraps. So I didn't use the headband here just to show you guys that the head wraps are amazing and beautiful when you even wear a white shirt with them. It's super classy and I always love it when I go out with this particular look. And just in the spirit of scarves, I've grabbed a twilly and I've tied it to my neck as a necktie. So tie it in a double knot on your neck or you can easily loosen it and tie it under your collar. Now don't be like me guys, check the mirror to make sure your collar is actually down. So I noticed it later when I removed the pants and I grabbed the matching bag that comes with this particular set and I used it to style a bag again. So guys, look at it. It looks beautiful and amazing. I've also changed the head wrap style to the other side because it's a reversible head wrap and this actually goes with the color of the bag. So I decided to change it and just show you guys what it looks like. Next up, we have our triangle. So what you have to do is fold your scarf in a triangle. Now pick the two loose ends and put one in between the first and the second button, tie it in a double knot. Grab the other two ends and just tie it to your back. Adjust it as you like and that's basically it. This is what it looks like at the back. It's beautiful. You can let the fringe tails, you know, drop in front of you or put it inside if you don't want it to be seen. It's just so beautiful. I've grabbed one of our fold-over clutches again because it matches this particular design and the headband also matches as well. It's so amazing. I just so much love this look. Next up, we have the hanging there style. Now you guys are going to see what I mean by the hanging there style. So all you have to do is fold your scarf in a triangle, throw it over your shoulders so it looks like an inverted triangle at the back, and grab your belt. So once you grab your belt, tie it on your waist and make the necessary adjustments that you want. You can easily choose, it's your choice guys, to bring out the fringe tails from the belt or just leave it inside, you know, for aesthetic purposes or anything you want to call it basically, and you know, you just look super chic and super fabulous. I've also grabbed another fold over clutch, reversed it to the other side so it matches the headband on my head. Now I've been saying reversible a lot because most of the items in our collection are actually reversible or convertible. I've also grabbed the matching bag that comes with this particular set, made it into a bag again, and you know, it just makes it look elegant and regal basically. You can also drag the scarf to be on one shoulder, you know, pin it on your shoulder if you don't want it to fall, or just, you know, carry it around like the Saree style. Now, did you guys just see that? Oh my god, I didn't plan on this at all. It now looks like a skirt side drape kind of design, you know, it's just so beautiful. Now I thought of something and wanted to make it like a cowl style, so you know, that cowl design that makes it, you know, flow like that, like a drapey feel. Now look at it. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, this is giving me so much life. I didn't even expect it at all. Like, look at it. Yes, 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 yes. That's it. Speaking of our headbands, now these are the amazing designs available, guys. You guys should reach out to me on Instagram at Lara Creations. Imagine at a bridal shower, you guys are wearing matching robes with matching headbands. Now that's going to be so beautiful. Your pictures are going to be so nice. You can reach out to me for custom made designs. You know, I would be ready to work with you through your colors, your fabrics. Also, imagine you guys wearing your white shirts with these different designs with amazing scarves and headbands to match, and I'm ready to help you with that. We also have the reversible head wrap set that is a 4-in-1 head wrap set where you have the eye mask, scrunchie, head wrap strip, and the bonnet itself. Now the bonnet is reversible. It has 2 different designs that you can wear like I showed you guys in the other one. These bonnets are fabulous. And you can also get them as a clutch set where you can add a fold over clutch to it, and it's just so beautiful. You can also buy the clutches alone, guys. You don't need to buy it as a set. That's all I have for you guys today. It's been so amazing filming this video. Editing it was even more fun. I can remember posting the process on my WhatsApp status. It was so amazing. I would love you guys to recreate this and send it to me on Instagram at Lara Creations. I'll be ready to share it with my followers, and it just helps us to connect in a more personal way. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. A lot of you guys are watching my videos but you're not subscribed yet. Please subscribe and join the family. I have so many things in store for you guys. Please subscribe so you can get notified about every single thing that I'm offering on this channel. Also comment in the comment section on the styles you really love. I would love to connect with you on that level as well. You know, like this video, share within and outside your circle. It helps me, it helps my analytics, guys, and it helps me know I'm putting impactful content to the world at large. It's still your favorite girl, oh no, your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur from Nigeria, Lara Savage, signing out.